What if everything you thought you knew about ancient history was wrong? The past is a puzzle, always revealing new pieces. For centuries, we've pieced together narratives from fragments and stories passed down through generations. But what happens when new discoveries challenge everything we thought we knew? Today we're diving into 5 ancient stories that recent discoveries are completely rewriting. These aren't just footnotes in history, these are seismic shifts in our understanding of the past, fundamentally changing how we view these ancient civilizations. Let's begin our journey through time. But before, make sure to like and subscribe for more amazing content. The pyramids of Giza for millennia have stood as a testament to the might of the ancient Egyptians. Towering over the desert, these monuments have inspired wonder and sparked debate for centuries. The traditional narrative tells a story of toiling slaves, laboring under a brutal sun. But is that the truth? Recent archaeological discoveries paint a very different picture. Excavations near the pyramids have unearthed vast workers' villages, complete with bakeries, breweries, and even medical facilities. The remains tell a story not of slavery but of skilled laborers, well-fed and cared for, their efforts a source of pride rather than a burden. These findings suggest a highly organized workforce, their skills honed over generations, driven by something more than mere coercion. Imagine the scene, thousands of workers, not as slaves, but as respected craftsmen, working in unison, pulling together massive stones with ropes and sleds. Recent studies suggest the use of advanced techniques like water-lubricated ramps and copper tools, further challenging our understanding of their capabilities. The story of the pyramids is being rewritten not as monuments to tyranny, but as testaments to human ingenuity, collaboration, and the power of belief. The Colossus of Rhodes, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, has long captivated our imagination. A bronze giant bestriding the harbour, a symbol of power and ingenuity. But for centuries, the exact location and even the pose of the Colossus have been shrouded in mystery. Recent underwater explorations and archaeological surveys have begun to shed light on this enigmatic monument. While the traditional view places the Colossus directly at the harbour entrance, new evidence suggests it may have stood further inland, its imposing figure greeting travellers as they approach the city. And what of its fate? The Colossus was toppled by an earthquake, its broken remnants a testament to the destructive power of nature. But the story doesn't end there. New research suggests that the Colossus's bronze may have been repurposed, melted down, and recast into coins and other valuable objects. Imagine the journey of those fragments of bronze, once part of a towering giant, now circulating throughout the ancient world, carrying with them the legacy of the Colossus. The Colossus of Rhodes, though long gone, continues to intrigue and inspire. Stonehenge, a ring of ancient stones standing sentinel on the Salisbury Plain, has puzzled archaeologists and historians for centuries. Was it a temple to the sun, a celestial calendar, or something else entirely? Recent excavations and analysis of the surrounding landscape have revealed a much more complex picture. Evidence suggests that Stonehenge may have been a place of healing, a pilgrimage site for the sick and injured seeking solace and recovery. Excavations have uncovered numerous burials at Stonehenge, many showing signs of illness or injury. These individuals appear to have come from far and wide, drawn to the site by its reputation for miraculous cures. Further supporting this theory is the discovery of bluestones, the smaller stones at Stonehenge, which originated from the Preseli Hills in Wales over 150 miles away. These bluestones were not only a logistical feat to transport, but were also believed to possess healing properties. Could Stonehenge have been a prehistoric Lourdes, a place where people from across the land gathered, seeking solace and healing? The evidence is compelling. Cleopatra, the last pharaoh of ancient Egypt, a ruler of legendary beauty and intellect, met her end under mysterious circumstances. The traditional narrative tells a story of a queen defeated, choosing to end her own life rather than face humiliation at the hands of the Romans. But recent historical analysis and re-examination of ancient texts have cast doubt on this long-held belief. Some scholars now argue that Cleopatra's death may not have been a suicide, but a carefully orchestrated assassination designed to eliminate a powerful and potentially troublesome figure. Cleopatra was known for her political acumen, her ability to forge alliances and manipulate her enemies. She was also a threat to the ambitions of Octavian, the future Roman emperor, who sought to consolidate his power and absorb Egypt into the Roman Empire. Consider the circumstances of her death. The asp, a symbol of royalty in Egypt, a relatively painless and swift method of death, unlikely to leave disfiguring marks. Was she a victim of circumstance, choosing to end her own life? Or was she the target of a cunning plot, her death a pivotal moment in the rise of the Roman Empire? The Maya civilization, renowned for its intricate hieroglyphs, sophisticated mathematics and impressive city-states, has long fascinated archaeologists and historians, but the dense jungles of Central America have kept many of their secrets hidden beneath a thick canopy of vegetation. Now, thanks to a revolutionary technology called LiDAR, we are able to peel back the layers of time and see the Maya world as never before. LiDAR, which stands for light detection and ranging, uses laser beams to create detailed three-dimensional maps of the Earth's surface, even penetrating dense foliage. What LiDAR has revealed is astounding. Vast interconnected networks of cities, roads and agricultural terraces, far more extensive and sophisticated than previously imagined. These discoveries are challenging our understanding of the Maya collapse, suggesting a more complex and nuanced story than simple environmental degradation. Imagine soaring above the jungle canopy, witnessing sprawling cities connected by raised causeways, vast agricultural fields stretching as far as the eye can see. LiDAR is allowing us to see the Maya world in a whole new light, revealing the true extent of their civilization. From the pyramids of Giza to the jungles of the Maya, these evolving perspectives show how ongoing discoveries and technology are reshaping our understanding of the ancient world. History isn't static. It's a living tapestry, constantly being woven and rewoven as new threads of knowledge emerge. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more intriguing stories from history. There's so much more to discover, so many mysteries yet to unravel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.